Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
We also have some seminars that's coming up. Yeah, this week, all compliments of the First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Give a ring right now, and they'll tell you more about that, and that's 718-380-0006. Well, we've got Eddie Alber in studios from First Republic Mortgage Bankers. We're going to be speaking for a couple of minutes on mortgages, and we're talking about the great financing that is available at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. They are direct lenders, not middlemen or funding companies, and they can do more for you than the big banks and the other so-called entities out there. Once again, folks, this is Link Up Radio. Let's speak a bit with Eddie Alber. How you doing, man? You had problems getting in due to the snow, right, Eddie?
Boy, did they make a bad call on that one. Yeah. They guessed wrong, right?
Oh, my God, man. Talk about a major screw-up.
Man, I was watching the football game yesterday, and I'm saying, wow, there's going to be bad weather tomorrow going in. And there was nothing on the road. I didn't see
it's crazy, man. What are you going to say?
I didn't see a snowflake. I mean, I was looking, but I didn't see anything. But it was clean sailing. I guess that's a good thing, though.
And you know what? It messed up everything because this morning I had to take my kids to school, man. Two of them, and it's just crazy. Oh, Dad, can you take us to school because there's a 90-minute delay?
Oh, wow.
I said, what? So I looked outside.
Wow.
What the hell? So I had to get up. I had to go get them, and took them to school, but then got to the school, the big sign, 90-minute delay. I said, for what? But anyway, man. One of the greatest things, though, at least they woke up in their own house, and that's a good thing. I want to make sure that family members are waking up in their own house, that they can also refinance to have a much better life, eliminating debt and so forth. You're a loan officer from a big bank. The bank is located at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York, serving multiple states, including the tri-state area, New York, Connecticut, and New Jersey. Let's just talk about what the interest rates are. Every Monday we're going to quote the interest rates that's available at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. So can you quote the interest rates for me, Mr. Eddie Alber, before I open up the lines?
Absolutely, Squeeze. We got several promotions going on, and I'll tell you, I've been in this business a long time. It really doesn't get any better than it is right now, especially if you have those high interest rate credit cards, installment debt, auto loans, any kind of debt. I mean, we have programs as low as 4.5% on our 15-year FHA and 5.5% on our 30-year FHA, and you don't even need good credit. That's really the amazing part. Not only are you getting unbelievably low rates, but you don't have to have good credit, because a lot of people are calling in and they're saying, do I need excellent credit? Do I need a 720 FICO score? And I'm telling them, no, it's not credit-driven rates. This is a program for people that maybe don't have perfect credit. Maybe they were late with some credit cards. Maybe they were late with their auto loans. Maybe they had a mortgage late, and that's cool. This loan is very flexible. It's a very understanding loan, and a lot of people, and we've been doing thousands of these over the last several years, so it really works for everybody. We're able to do a lot of business. And the listeners, they truly benefit by getting rid of all their debts and reducing their monthly expenses, especially those people that are working 1, 2, 3 jobs out there, and you're having a difficult time making those monthly payments. Now's the time to do your financial tune-up. I know those credit card those creditors are calling up now and telling you they need money and they want their payments. So now's the time to really take a look, especially if you've had your home for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. You do have equity. You have money. Like Scott always says, you're house rich and cash poor. And you should really take advantage. I mean, this is the interest rates that are offering right now, and I'm in the business, are lower than the ones that I have. So, I mean, this is truly amazing that you can get an interest rate of 4.5% or 5.5% and have poor credit. So I encourage all the listeners out there, and we really, really do pride ourselves on finding you the best program that you qualify for. And I hope that every listener that calls up, that I can give them a 4.5% or a 5.5% fixed rate mortgage, because that will truly save them tens of thousands of dollars if they have credit card and auto loans and other debt. So, I mean, we really want to save as much money as we can for you, but we need to get information. We need to qualify you. So we really need to look at, we have dozens and dozens of programs at First Republic, and the market changes by the week. So by having an understanding on our thumb on the pulse of the market, we can tell you, advise you, and tell you what we feel is the best way for you to go. And we always try to offer you, different programs. So you have to make the choice. It's not us paying the mortgage bill at the end of the month. It's you. You have to feel comfortable making the payment. But we really, truly, we do a workup. We get all your information together, and then we can help you make the right decision that's right for you and your family and your future in your home.
So right now, folks, once again, his name is Eddie Albert. He's one of the big loan officers, top man over there at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. He's physically in the North Bronx, of course, right now, and he would like to take all calls on home financing. Anyone that's been thinking about purchasing homes, we have the monies at the lowest possible rate at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Anyone who has been thinking about refinancing, whether it is that you have an adjustable rate mortgage, you want to pay off some debt, you want to improve your home, build that deck, that driveway, that garage, now is the time. Maybe you want to take out some money to send the children to school, to give them a much better life than what it is that you and I had. You can do that. However, one of the things that kill us each and every single month is our bills. Why not get rid of that car note, credit card bills? All right? Make the call right now. The number is 718-325-5555. That is 718-325-5555. Make the call to the radio studios. Eddie Albert will speak with you and help you out with a lot of things, of course, that's hurting you because you are not managing your expenses. Make the call right now to the radio studios. 718-325-5555. Call the radio studios now. Eddie Albert will give you a much better rate. Thank you so much, Eddie. The phone lines, as you can see, are blazing for you, being the number one, of course, finance entity in the tri-state area when it comes to real estate. And of course, you're a direct lender. First Republic Mortgage Bankers, the number 718-325-5555. He'll take those calls off the air right now, privately and confidentially. If you've got some credit problems, don't worry about that. He'll take those calls also. Thank you so much, Eddie. We'll catch up with you shortly.
Great.
All right, no problem. All right, folks, once again, this is Link Up Radio.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.